In a bright, sunlit kitchen, a large flour tortilla lies spread open on a spotless countertop. A spoonful of rice is carefully placed onto a tortilla. The words cilantro lime rice appear on the screen. Slow-cooked shredded beef sits atop the rice. On-screen text appears: shredded beef or grilled chicken. Creamy black beans are spooned onto the tortilla. The screen displays creamy black beans. Sauteed bell peppers and onions are layered next. In a bright kitchen, cheese is generously sprinkled over ingredients. On screen, simple text displays grated cheese. Fresh pico de gallo is carefully added on top of something delicious. On-screen text appears: fresh pico de gallo. A vibrant display of fresh ingredients awaits a generous scoop of guacamole. The scene highlights guacamole in bold letters. Sour cream. Sunlight floods the bright kitchen, casting a golden glow on the countertop. A tortilla is meticulously folded, its shape becoming perfectly symmetrical. Nimble fingers work with practiced ease, tucking and folding. A burrito sits center frame, a testament to culinary precision. On-screen text appears: expertly rolled. On the hot griddle, a burrito sizzles to perfection. The distinct sizzle fills the air. Seared to perfection appears on the screen. Sunlight bathes the bright kitchen, promising warmth and comfort. The burrito's crust sears to a perfect, irresistible golden crisp. The golden crust of the burrito shines. In the bright kitchen, a knife slices through the burrito. The sound of the knife echoes in the clean kitchen. A vibrant cross-section of the burrito bursts with color. Colorful layers appear on screen, highlighting the rich ingredients. A vibrant burrito is served, accompanied by tortilla chips, salsa, and a lime wedge. Text appears on screen. Served with tortilla, chips, salsa, and lime. A hand reaches for a burrito, fingers wrapping around it. The burrito is held aloft. Steam rises from the burrito, curling around grasping fingers. A bite releases the burrito's warm, gooey heart. Seasoned meat, melted cheese, and vibrant salsa explode in a burst of flavor. Bold text appears: burrito, big flavor in every bite. Familiar everyday objects slowly morph, revealing atoms as the basic units. Atoms, fundamental units of matter. A vibrant animation reveals the nucleus, highlighting protons and neutrons, packed tightly together. Text appears: protons, yeah no, and neutrons, neutral, form the nucleus. A visual symphony of atomic motion begins, where electrons dance around the nucleus in a perpetual ballet. The electrons swirl within labeled energy levels, each shell a testament to the precise order of the atomic world. Explanatory text appears, illuminating the hidden rules governing these tiny, energetic particles. The infographic illuminates the screen, with charge balance determines stability and reactivity. Across a split screen, the abstract world of atomic structure merges with the tangible realities of everyday chemistry. Visuals of chemical reactions ignite the screen, highlighting the atomic interactions that shape our world. Electricity flows as electrons jump between atoms, illuminating the link between atomic structure and energy. The properties of materials are revealed, each determined by the arrangement of atoms within. The emphasizes, atomic structure shapes everyday chemistry. Dawn breaks over the vast ocean, the surface shimmering with the first light. Mist rises from the water, hinting at the day's warmth. The sky brightens slowly, signaling the start of a new day. High above the earth, water vapor rises silently, an invisible transformation against the vast blue. The vapor cools, transforming into layers of delicate cloud formations. Layered clouds drift gently against the clear blue sky, a silent ballet of nature. Ominous storm clouds fill the sky, heralding nature's raw power. Lightning flashes split the darkness, signaling the storm's violent arrival. A torrential downpour erupts as each raindrop explodes on the parched earth below. The storm has passed, and sunlight bathes the mountain valley stream in a golden glow. The flowing water converges, a symbol of renewal and the eternal cycle of life. A desolate industrial district lies under a somber, overcast sky. Towering factories relentlessly spew thick smoke, choking the air with pollution. The decaying infrastructure and pervasive smog highlight the grim consequences of fossil fuel dependency. Inside the research facility, technology reveals a stark contrast. Polluted landscapes versus the bright promise of solar and wind energy. The conference hall is filled with dramatic visual presentations. Graphs and figures weave a powerful narrative of transformation. Under the clear sky, solar panels and wind turbines rise above the flourishing greenery. The sunlit urban park embodies an optimistic vision of a sustainable future. The studio kitchen exudes warmth with sunlight, promising a day filled with culinary exploration. A flour tortilla lies open on a clean kitchen counter. Steamed cilantro lime rice is spooned precisely onto a tortilla. Shredded beef tops the rice. Creamy black beans are spooned onto the tortilla. Sautéed bell peppers and onions are layered. Grated cheese falls like snow, blanketing the ingredients. The vibrant colors of fresh pico de gallo crown the dish. A vibrant stack of ingredients awaits the final touch. A generous scoop of guacamole. A delicate drizzle of sour cream crowns the dish. The tortilla's edges fold inward, sealing the contents with a promise of savory satisfaction. The burrito lies perfectly wrapped. A humble burrito awaits its fate on a sizzling griddle. The burrito is seared to a golden crisp. A sharp knife slices through the burrito, its crispy exterior audibly yielding. A burrito showcases a vibrant array of rice, beans, meat, veggies, and sauce. A fully loaded burrito lies on a plate. Tortilla chips surround it. Salsa and a lime wedge complete the meal. A hand reaches for the burrito. A steaming burrito awaits its fate. A decisive bite marks the start. Across the kitchen, a message appears. Burrito, big flavor in every bite. The restaurant bursts with life, its reputation for delicious burritos evident in the long lines. Inside the bustling restaurant kitchen, a symphony of culinary artistry unfolds. Meats sizzle on the stove, filling the air with rich aromas. Rich sauces are carefully crafted, promising an unforgettable dining experience. The restaurant buzzes with life as customers relish their burritos. A symphony of spices and cheerful chatter fills the air. Laughter echoes through the vibrant space. A delivery driver grabs a freshly made burrito. A cheerful exchange unfolds as the person accepts the burrito delivery with a warm smile. Pure bliss washes over my face as I take a large bite of the burrito. In the kitchen, the ingredients await, measured with precision and care. In the heart of a professional kitchen, a chef commands the stainless steel counter, every ingredient in its place. With hands that dance across the ingredients, the chef demonstrates the art of burrito folding, a display of culinary precision. Each fold is executed with hypnotic grace, a testament to years of honing their craft. A symphony of ingredients, captured in a dance of time, transforms into a culinary masterpiece. From raw elements to finished art, each step unfolds in a mesmerizing visual feast. The vibrant colors and textures meld, culminating in the creation of the perfect burrito. The burrito is complete, a testament to the beauty of the culinary process. The kitchen bursts with life as hands assemble burritos. Vegetarian burritos overflow with vibrant vegetables. Spicy sauces and peppers promise a fiery kick. The aroma of seasoned fillings and warm tortillas fills the air. Nutritional information about the burrito is displayed on screen. Sunlight fills a cozy kitchen as archival images illuminate the burrito's rich history. Today, we delve into the fascinating story of the burrito, a dish with roots stretching deep into Mexican history. The kitchen is filled with a vibrant energy as customers proudly display their burritos. Sunlight pours through the window, highlighting the colorful ingredients within each burrito. Each bite is a burst of flavor, their faces reflecting pure satisfaction. A culinary duel unfolds in a split screen, where a homemade burrito faces off against its store-bought counterpart. Sunlight bathes the cozy kitchen, casting a warm glow over the promise of a delightful meal. Colorful ingredients lie in wait, ready to become delicious burritos. Steam rises from a pot on the stove, a silent invitation to culinary delight. A burrito sits, an island of sustenance amidst a sea of stainless steel. The kitchen shines. A call to order a burrito echoes from a vibrant poster, its message clear and inviting. The restaurant's website and phone number are displayed. The restaurant kitchen buzzes with focused energy as the staff expertly prepares burritos. Each motion is a dance of efficiency and skill, transforming simple ingredients into culinary creations. The burritos are now ready to serve. Customers enjoy burritos, their faces lighting up with pure satisfaction. Each bite is a moment of bliss, a symphony of flavors. Smiles and full bellies fill the air as the burritos work their magic. The kitchen bustles with morning light, a promise of fresh beginnings. The kitchen's mission is clear: fresh, flavorful, and made with love. A perfectly crafted burrito sits center, awaiting the first bite. A final image displays the restaurant's logo, inviting viewers to connect through social media. The chef winks, signaling the end.